Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Elevon Portable Washing Machine and the Portable Small Washing Machine. In this video, we will explore their features, specifications, and help you determine which one is right for you. Whether you're living in a small apartment, dorm, or on the go, we've got you covered. When it comes to capacity, the Elevon Portable Washing Machine boasts an impressive 18 pounds washing capacity, making it ideal for larger loads. In contrast, the Portable Small Washing Machine has a capacity of 13 liters, which is perfect for smaller items like baby clothes and delicates. If you frequently wash larger loads, the Elevon may be the better choice for you. The Elevon features a twin tub design that allows for simultaneous washing and spinning, which can save you time. On the other hand, the Portable Small Washing Machine is foldable, making it extremely portable and easy to store. This design is perfect for those who need a compact solution for travel or limited space. Price is always a significant factor when making a purchase. The Elevon Portable Washing Machine is priced at $177, reflecting its larger capacity and additional features. In contrast, the Portable Small Washing Machine is much more affordable at $59, making it a great option for budget-conscious consumers. However, consider what features are most important to you before making a decision. In conclusion, both the Elevon and the Portable Small Washing Machine have their unique advantages. The Elevon is perfect for those who need a larger capacity and more features, while the Portable Small Washing Machine is ideal for those prioritizing portability and affordability. We hope this comparison helped you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos.